Okay, so you've just fallen over the edge of an infinitely large waterfall and you know three things. Everything is moving, you want to get back on top, and oh, would you look at that, there's no ground. This is what understanding the universe feels like. Everything is changing, you want to know things, and oh, would you look at that, there's no universal foundation. If only there was some consistency in the universe on which we could build a platform to stand on so we don't keep falling forever. So let's build it, shall we? We'll start with the universal constant that everybody should know, the speed of light in a vacuum. It is exactly that fast and does not change. Story time. Once upon a time, Einstein figured out that space and time are the same thing and he called it space-time. The end. Oh, also he used logic from earlier and created the theory of relativity. If the speed of light can't change, everything else can. Alright, so we found some consistency, but are there more constants? Yes, gravity. It is one of the four fundamental forces of nature: the strong force, weak force, electromagnetism, and gravity. There's a certain mathematical consistency of gravity denoted by big G. Storytime 2. Once upon a time, Isaac Newton thought about apples and created the theory of gravity, later turned into the law of gravity. If gravity affects things on Earth, it probably affects other things too. We now have a better understanding of this universe and are now gripping on the sides of the metaphorical cliff with some jagged edges that we found by using our senses and our logic with help from the universal constants. But are there even more constants? Yes, there are two other major constants, but that will be a story for another time.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me meant to be in the great outdoors.